Hi there, welcome to the video number 3 of this free training. My name is Will Margado. I'm the founder of the Funnel Superhero and the Superhero Empire. And on this last video, I'm going to talk about the Superhero FunnelLeaks. That is amazing you did it to the video 3. I'm so happy that you just watched the 2 previous videos and now you're here to the last one. And this one, guys, is gonna be amazing. I can promise you that. So, in this video, I'm gonna leak the exact same method and strategy that I'm using on the Superhero Empire funnels. How cool is that? And I'll tell you more. You're free to use the exact same strategy. You can just copy it if you want, okay? So I'm gonna share it with you right now. And ta-da! This is my funnel. This is my funnel for the Superhero Empire. Okay, let's talk a bit about it. So if you watch my previous videos, and I bet you did, you'll know already that everything will always go around recurring profit. So we spoke this on the first video, we spoke this on the second video, and we're gonna keep talking about it, okay? This is the only way to get your income to grow. Also, you will also promote not only affiliate products, but also digital products, and especially your members area. And I can show you here, okay? Everything, if you see these arrows, and I'm gonna go through each one of these steps in a while, all these arrows are driving people to my member sales page. So this is gonna be always my main goal, where I want people to get. So inside the members area, you will leave all your most valuable courses, trainings, resources. So everything you have, it's gonna be inside the members area. Another use you can give to your members area is to actually sell your favorite affiliate products. So apart from your courses, you're gonna have links for your favorite affiliate products, and this will bring you some extra income within your customers, so within those people that are already paying you. I will go now through this funnel. Just want you guys to know that inside my members area, I will go much more in detail to each one of these steps. I will go step by step on how to actually build your funnel, how to create and optimize your Facebook page and Facebook group. I will actually give away the templates for this exact funnel and many others. So inside my members area, you're gonna find loads and loads of templates that you can use, including this one, okay? So the only thing you have to do is actually to brand it, to change the logos, change the copy, those kind of things. I'll also show you how to automate all this system so you don't have to worry about it anymore. So you just automate it once and it's gonna work for you like it's supposed to be. And you're gonna be free to keep creating content, keep creating value, and just make money. And more important than that, I will show you how to drive traffic to this funnel and how to set up your affiliate system so you can step up your game and make some real money. Go inside the members area and you'll get a lot of training, a lot of details about this sales system, okay? So on this video, I will only go through the strategy and show you why this funnel is what I use to my business and why I did build it like this. On the first video, I already explained you why we need to step up our game and how influencers can actually leverage your business and how important they are. They don't always know how to monetize their channels, that's the truth. Usually they are great growing their social media, they keep growing. Sometimes they even have more than one account and they just like to grow it and to share stuff. But we can actually help them monetizing and they can help us selling a lot. So it's good business for both. To approach these people, you can actually just let them know about your product. Show them your product, show them how awesome it is, and tell them something like, if you promote my product, for example, our members area, I'll give you 70% of our sales. So let's say if they sell 100 and we are selling our members area for $30 per month, that will give them a recurring monthly income of $2,100 and $900 for us. I know it looks very little for us, but remember, this is totally a passive income. You're not even spending money in getting these clients. And also, most of these customers are actually people that we wouldn't have anyway. They're following those influencers, so we wouldn't reach them. So it's important to understand that if you manage to get traffic from paid ads, influencer, and affiliate marketing, then you'll be very comfortable and your business will grow for sure. You just have to make sure you're looking after your members area, that you keep creating high value content, and also check out your Facebook group every once in a while. Make sure everyone gets an answer. Keep giving support and engaging with your audience and posting high quality content there too. Okay, now with that said, let's go to the funnel structure. So we have two parts here, one here and another one here, okay? And both of them will lead you to the member sales page. The first part is a Facebook page. We're gonna be driving traffic to this Facebook page. And the first method we're gonna use is gonna be Facebook ads. So if you have never done Facebook ads before, don't worry. Inside my members area, there's gonna be a deep training about Facebook ads. I'm gonna explain you everything, how to create, how to scale. I'm gonna teach every single thing step by step, so you don't have to worry about it. But on this case, we don't actually even need any fancy ads. The only thing we're gonna need to do is to promote our Facebook page. On the Facebook page, we're gonna have a big header image driving people to the group. So we have our group here and our Facebook page here. We're gonna have a big header image here that's gonna drive people to a sign-up page, and this sign-up page will drive people to the group. This is what we want to do. We want to drive people from the page to the group, to the member sales page, to the members area. So we'll have the image driving. We're gonna make a video and pin it on the top so it doesn't get out of the top. On the video, guess what's gonna happen? It's gonna drive them to the same sign-up page, exactly. And we also have access to a button here on the top right near the image. And we're gonna configure that button to send people to the sign-up page also. So the main objective here is that whoever lands in your Facebook page, whoever checks your Facebook page, will have links to this Facebook group sign-up page everywhere. And why we are promoting our Facebook page instead of Facebook ads straight away to the sign-up page? Okay. The good thing about promoting the Facebook page is that Facebook prefers when you're driving people to a page inside Facebook. So in this case, the ads are going to be much, much cheaper than if you were taking them away straight away to the sign-up page. Facebook don't want you to leave Facebook, okay? So that's the reason why driving people from an ad to a Facebook page or promoting a Facebook page, it's way cheaper than promoting a link that's going to take you out of Facebook. So all we have to do is to grow our Facebook page. It's nice and easy. We just have to worry about it after this system is built. So when these people land on our Facebook page, they will naturally check out the content, they will find the links to our sign-up page. After that, they click and they land in our sign-up page. In this sign-up page, we're gonna ask them for their email in exchange of a code that they will need to access our Facebook group. So we're gonna tell them, okay, to access this Facebook group, you'll need a code. So for that, we need your email. I also recommend you to offer a free training, a freebie, any freebie that you can offer. So people really, really want to check it out and give you their email. So from there, we're gonna start automatically growing our group and our email list. Now, I recommend you send them the password. You have two options to send them the password that they will need on the Facebook group. First option, you can give it straight away on the thanks page next to the free training. The other option is send them by email. I recommend you sending them the password through email and not on the thank you page. And why is this? Because if you send the password through email, you are 100% sure that, well, not 100% sure, but first thing is you are almost sure that they will give you their real email. So you're not gonna have fake emails because they need the password, they need to get it. And also, you are 100% sure that everyone inside your Facebook group gave you their real email. But obviously, you're free to give them the password on the thanks page. It works the same way. Only thing is they would get the password anyway. So if they gave you a wrong email, a fake email, you're gonna start marketing a fake email and get more bounces. And now the Facebook group. To make sure this all works, we're gonna have to do something on the Facebook group. There's an option that when people apply to the group, when people actually try to join the group, they have to answer to 3 questions. Now, you're gonna activate this option, and on the last one, you're gonna ask for the password that they got by email. They have to put this password there. You're gonna have at the beginning to approve it manually, but it's super easy because you send the same password to everyone. You can put like a 4-digit number or something like that. So when you're approving, you're checking the answers, and the only thing that you really care about is the password. As long as those passwords you see are correct, you just start adding these people. Also on the Facebook group, we're gonna pin a video to the top where we are going to drive people to the members area sales page. So there's gonna be a video right here on the top, and on that video, we're gonna be driving them straight away to the members sales page. Has to be a very nice video, okay? Anyway, remember, whenever they buy your member sales page, they'll get through to the members area. And in this members area, as I told you before, we're gonna promote our affiliate products. We're gonna promote other products that we created and that are not included. We can even create a gold package or a gold member, but I'll talk about it a little bit later. Apart from that, we're gonna have a sales area on the members area. You're gonna sell some one-time products. You're gonna sell your coaching program, and pretty much you can sell everything you want as long as it's relevant for the niche that you're working with. So this is the best way to maximize our members area, and I'll show you other ways to maximize profits inside our members area, like VIP accesses, bronze, silver, gold accesses, all these kind of different ways to charge people and to create segmentation. I'll show you that in detail inside our members area. Now, the second way to come inside our funnel is to promote straight away our free training. This free training that you're actually watching right now. We can just drive Facebook ads and influencers to our opt-in page for the free training. After this, they go in through the free training like you're doing it just right now. After that, they go to the member sales page where they can choose to buy or not our access to the members area. Also, the people who decide not to buy, in the meantime, you got their email. So you can just create a quick email campaign and try to take these people back to the sales page again and try to sell them. But while I'm saying this, remember, the most important thing in all this process is actually the members area. You need to have loads and loads of value. You need to have a lot of content. You need to actually, people need to pay for it and feel that it's cheap. You know what I mean? People need to actually be inside their members area and say, damn, I'm not gonna stop paying this, never, because there's so much content and these guys always putting more content and more things that it's a no-brainer. But now I want to talk about this email campaign here. We really want to prove our authority here. We need to give a lot of value here, and we can't be too salesy. There's a really nice book called Jab Jab Right Hook. You'll find it on the resources on the members area. You'll find a link for it. What it says is that we should use a strategy of value, value, sell. So you cannot just go to the right hook. You have to prepare it first. So you give 2 jabs and then the right hook. And it's the same. You're gonna give value, you're gonna give more value, you're gonna give more value, and then yes, you can, hey, I have this amazing members area, do you wanna join it and get much more of this that I'm giving you right now? Another important thing to do on these funnel pages is to install the Facebook pixel in each one of them. This way we can get all the analytics, we can retarget people through Facebook ads, and also, once again, I will have a full course on this, on how to install the Facebook pixel. It's super easy, it's super fast. Anyone can do it. So I'll just show you step by step how to do it. And if you follow, you'll see that it's super easy. You install the Facebook pixel, it's a code in all these pages. And this way on Facebook, when you're doing your Facebook ads, you can actually retarget these people again and send again ads to them. And this improves a lot your conversions. So yeah, guys, I really hope you understood all this. I think this is pretty much self-explanatory. It's very easy to understand the process, so don't forget, you're gonna drive people from your Facebook ads to Facebook page because it's cheaper. You're gonna promote your Facebook page. In your Facebook page, you're gonna have loads of links driving people to the sign-up page. On this sign-up page, you're gonna offer them the opportunity to join an amazing Facebook group where you can give a lot of value, where you can give a lot of support to all these people. And for that, they need to opt in. They need to give you their email address. Also, you'll give access to the free training, so it's even more appellative. They will give you their email, and you're gonna send by email the password so they can join the Facebook group. Facebook group will drive them to the member sales page. In the meantime, they are driven from the sign up page to the thank you page, and they have a link straight away to watch the free training. The free training will take them back to the member sales page. So everything is actually taking them to the member sales page. On the second part, we have our just regular opt-in for this free training. You're gonna drive traffic through influencers and through Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, whatever source that you work with. They will opt in on this one to access the free training. They get to the free training and they are driven to the member sales page. If they don't buy it, we're gonna send them an email campaign driving them again to the sales page. So everything is about the sales page. We can also create traffic, paid and influencers. So free traffic, paid traffic and influencers to the member sales page straight away. And sales page will take them to the best part, to the most important part of your funnel, to your members area. And once again, I never get tired of saying this. Remember that you need to have a lot of value inside this members area. Otherwise, nothing is gonna work. That's the first big foundation. I think this is very simple after this explanation. Everything points to your members area, and your Facebook group will create authority, especially the authority you don't have when you're just starting. Facebook group will solve that because you're going to put a lot of stuff. You can even put some stuff from your members area, some of the courses or some parts of courses. You can just put straight away the video on the Facebook group. Give a lot of value. People will buy it anyway, believe me. Now, to finish this video, there's a lot of things that you might have some questions about it. Feel free to ask me. But everything is inside the members area. So you'll find loads of different trainings that you're gonna need to be able to get your business running fast. You'll also find high converting templates that I personally use on my funnels. And you'll find a lot of free resources and all the tools that I use and recommend. So just click down below to access the members area. And I promise you that you're gonna find so much value inside that very soon you're gonna be making a lot of money out of your business. I hope you could see the big value on this strategy, and I really, really wish you very good luck for your business, okay? So thank you so much for watching this free training, and I'll see you inside the members area. Thank you.